Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Anuja and I'm back with a new video. So welcome back to the second episode of my cooking series. I'm gonna be posting such videos every Sunday, either about food or cooking related or something like that. So in this episode we are going to make some momos. These are going to be veg momos, but these are super easy to make, and let's see how we make it. So first we started with the dough. I have taken about 1.5 cups of maida, and I'm gonna add about half a cup of water in it, and I'm just gonna knead it till it becomes like a proper dough. You can also add some oil in it to make it a little smoother, and once the dough is prepared, like it's smooth and it's proper, you just have to cover it with a cloth. You can use a damp cloth as well, but a normal cloth will also do. Keep it aside for about 30 to 40 minutes. So meanwhile we'll make the filling. For that, in a kadai I've taken little bit of ghee, and once it's warm enough I have added garlic, some ginger paste and some chili paste. If you have like a ginger garlic paste already, then you can add that as well. And I'm just gonna like saute it sort of. And once that is like sauteed for like few seconds, I'm gonna add in the veggies. I have taken cabbage, carrots, capsicum and also corn. You can add whatever is available with you, but the main ingredient is cabbage. So you can just add cabbage and carrot, or cabbage and capsicum, anything of that sort. And I'm gonna leave all the measurements and everything in the description box below so you can check it out. So now we're gonna saute these vegetables, and do not overcook them. We just want to stir fry them, and also add salt according to your taste. You can also add a little bit of pepper powder to make it spicy if you want. So this will be our base filling, and in this only I'm gonna add some cheese, and I'm gonna also make paneer filling. So I'm gonna take a little bit in a separate bowl and grate some cheese in it, and I'm gonna take a little bit of it aside and keep it for our normal filling. And for the third one, I'm going to add a little bit of paneer and just stir fry again so that paneer is also a little bit sauteed. There you have 3 types of fillings: a normal one, cheese one and a paneer one. So you can have whatever you like. For the chutney, I have taken about 2 tomatoes and diced them like in big squares. I have added a little bit of garlic as well in the blender mixer thing, and I have taken about 7-8 red chilies and I've boiled them basically. And after that is boiled and cooled down, I'm gonna add that in as well, and just mixer chalu kar do and your chutney is ready. Also, don't forget to add a little bit of salt and lemon in it. It'll taste amazing. What you can also do is you can roast them and then make a chutney of all of these things. That'll also taste nice, but this also works. After your dough is rested, just like knead it once again and then make small balls from it, just to like small enough to make a puri basically. And you just want to like roll it, and once you're done, just take a spoon and fill it in, and you can make whatever shapes you want. This is what my mom has made. Basically just fold it over like a karanji and then join the 2 sides, so you have a little pocket made also. The second one that I've done is a semi-pleated momo. For this you just have to pleat one side and just stick the other side to it, and that also makes like a good shape for momo. You can make whatever shape you want or like, it's all up to you. So for cooking them, what I'm gonna do is I have taken my idli ka bartan, like whatever we use to make the idli. I'm gonna fill it in with some water, and I'm gonna let it like heat up a little bit so that cooking momos is easier. And then I'm gonna put some oil on the plate, put the momos, and then I'm gonna put that plate in the bartan. After that we cover it up and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes on high flame.
A few moments later.
And there you have it. Momos are ready. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you decide to make these momos, then do share the pictures with me. I would like to see them. And obviously like this video, subscribe if you haven't already. I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers. I want to reach it soon, so please subscribe. And yeah, I shall see you in the next video. Bye.